Today, I'm going to show you how to use Google Trends. Google Trends is a tool that shows the popularity of different search terms and topics on Google over time and across regions. Let's delve into the ways it can supercharge your YouTube game. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Now, let's get into it. Google Trends serves as a goldmine for content creators by revealing what topics and keywords are currently gaining traction. This feature allows you to stay ahead of the curve, ensuring that your content remains relevant and engaging. By identifying emerging trends within your niche, you can create timely and sought-after content that resonates with your audience. Also, understanding the seasonality and cyclical patterns of different topics and keywords is crucial for effective content planning. Google Trends enables you to recognize when specific topics experience peaks or troughs in interest throughout the year. Armed with this knowledge, you can align your content calendar with these trends, ensuring that your videos are released when interest is at its highest. Another reason to use Google Trend is its ability to provide insights into the best time and location to target your videos. By analyzing search interest and demand patterns, you can tailor your content to specific regions and time frames, maximizing your video's visibility and impact on your target audience. Again, Google Trends goes beyond surface-level trends, allowing you to explore related queries and subtopics. This feature is invaluable for content creators seeking fresh perspectives and angles for their videos. By delving into these associated topics, you can uncover unique angles, ensuring your content stands out in a crowded online space. So, that's how you can use Google Trends for YouTube. I hope you learned something new and useful from this video. Google Trends is a great tool that can help you grow your YouTube channel, but you need to use it wisely and creatively. Remember, Google Trends shows the relative popularity of a search term or topic, not the absolute number of searches. Google Trends does not show the search volume or the number of views for a term or topic. Google Trends data is updated in real time, but it may not reflect the most recent searches. Therefore, you should not use Google Trends as the sole indicator of the potential success of your videos. You should also consider other factors such as the competition, the quality, and the relevance of your content. And of course, you should always test and experiment with different topics, keywords, and strategies to see what works best for your channel. If you have any questions or comments about Google Trends or YouTube, feel free to leave them below. I would love to hear from you. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.